I'm going to be showing you how to fix where Winds Meet not running in your mobile. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So here are the common fixes if where Winds Meet isn't working on your mobile or isn't running, loading, or keeps crashing. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your phone meets the game's minimum system requirements. So if you have an Android, then it must have Snapdragon 778G or Dimensity 1000L or Exynos 2100 or better. So if you have an iOS device, then it must be iPhone 11 or newer. If your device is below these specs, the game may not run or crash frequently. You also need to make sure you clear cache and restart your phone and try launching the game again. Users often report that clearing cache helps the game when it doesn't start. You can also try reinstalling the game. If the game gets stuck on startup or on the verifying resources screen, you can just uninstall the game and restart your phone. You can also try switching to a different internet connection. If it fails during resource verification, then you can just try switching the Wi-Fi. If your phone is low on RAM, then just close other apps and free up memory. You can also try contacting in-game support. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix where Winds Meet not running in your mobile. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.